so in order to do this, I chose this paper pad, and you can see it's got some cute things that all go together. And I use these pads that you can get for about $2 at Michael's. And I cut out our banners. So I've got the triangle banners that I cut out of these two different papers. And then I have the rectangular ones that I cut out of these different papers. So that's what we're going to use to make our banner today. It's really easy to add these are the cute graphics that we added onto it, and I want them to go on the banners like this. And I'm going to use these thick foam stickers to give them a little dimension and to pop them up a little bit. So we're just going to put this together. Most of the work on this is done on the actual Design Space. So I have 4 of these, 4 of these, 5 of these, and 5 of these. So I'm going to use my string and I'm going to string them together. Go like 1, 2, like that. And I'm going to create the pattern that I'm going to hold them to. So that's what I'm going to do really quickly here. I'm going to go with these ones on the ends. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to use ribbon to put these together, and just going to string together this banner with the ribbon. so that we could put other things in between here. And it'll give you a cute look to your thing. Hey, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter to get access to our free, huge project library. Tons of craft projects, tutorials, patterns, all for free. And in your first newsletter, you'll get invited to our chat and craft sessions, where we help you get your craft projects started and help you find time to finish them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.